Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get a club card on Tesco. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your club card or your Tesco web application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, how can you create an account on Tesco? It's pretty much simple. Launch in a browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome right here. Now from your browser you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar, type tesco.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Tesco. Once you get into the website, at the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tesco. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's text. How do you get a club card on Tesco? Now, there are two kinds of club cards. One, your digital club card and your physical club card. Now, once you create an account on Tesco, you're automatically going to get a digital club card. Of course, while in the process of signing up, you're going to get the club card number. Now, that is your digital club card. But if you want to get a physical club card so you can use it to scan as you shop while shopping at in-store, this is exactly what you should do. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the My Accounts button. Click on that and that's going to take you to the Accounts window. Over here, scroll all the way down. All right, so so scroll the way down till you get to this point right here. So you have Clubcard. Okay, so this is where you have Clubcard. Okay, now where you have club card, check the left corner. You're gonna find under club card, you're gonna find club card home, how to spend vouchers, club card plus, statement preferences, my club cards, and other a new card. So go ahead and click on other a new card, and that's gonna take you right here. Now in this window, now it says I have ordered a new card because I just placed an order for a card. But I'm gonna show you what's gonna be displayed here. Now, this window, the first thing you're going to see is Clubcard letting you know that it's okay or it's most appropriate for you to get or stay with a digital card because it helps them cut down on plastic waste. All right, but then if you just want to ignore all of that and to go ahead to process the physical card, you're going to see a hyperlink right here that says order a plastic club card. So once you click on the hyperlink, they're going to take you to a window where they're going to still let you know that it's okay for you to use a digital card by downloading the application, or you can still click on the order a plastic club card button. So once you click on that button, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to have to state your reason for ordering a plastic club card. After selecting your reason, they're going to take you to another window where you're going to find the address. They would like you to confirm the delivery address. If that's not the address you want, go ahead and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you can change the delivery address. Now once you're done, click on confirm, and that's it. They're gonna give you a banner or show you a banner that says you have successfully ordered your plastic club card, and they're gonna let you know that it's gonna arrive within 10 working days of date that you ordered it. All right, so this is just pretty much the process. So you're gonna have to wait until you have been, until you've gotten the club card within 10 working days. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.